We are going to create an RR document for incoming trade transactions with incoming trade loss. On your screen is the SAP Business One login window. Be sure that you select the correct company, and for the purpose of our discussion, we're going to use Twaprod 2014 as our company name. Type the user ID, retype the password, then click the OK button. SAP Business One main window will appear. From the SAP Business One main window, go to Purchasing AP, select Goods Receipt PO. The Goods Receipt PO in SAP is equivalent to our Receiving Report document. After opening the Goods Receipt PO or the RR document in SAP, select the vendor code or vendor name. After selecting the correct vendor name or the supplier, click the Choose button. Then, click the Copy From, select Purchase Order, then the list of purchase order will appear. Select the appropriate PO for this particular transaction. Then click Choose. Click Finish button. And as you can see, all the details in our purchase order are copied in our Goods Receipt PO document. Enter the date received. Due date is the same as the date received. Enter the date prepared. Then verify the item or the product to be received from the supplier. Enter the volumes to be paid. Enter volume received. Since we are encountering an incoming loss, volume to be paid is not equal to volume received. Enter drummings if any, tappings if any. Select the warehouse or the destination tank. For this particular transaction, we're going to select warehouse from Vismain Iloilo. Then we select the port, the Iloilo port. Then, as you can see, we have we have loss of 17 liters. Fill up the user-defined field, enter the RR number, and enter all the necessary data for this transaction, such as if it is a direct delivery, the supplier's DR number, the hauler's name, the delivery truck plate number, the vessel name or barge number if any, the time of arrival, the person who conducted the sounding, the receiver, gauge level, seal intact, and so on. We edit the remarks and we put our own remarks or explanation for this transaction or for this document. Select Prepared By. And then verify the accuracy and the completeness of the data in this document before adding the document. Click Add button, click Yes. And now our RR document is successfully added and posted to our system. So for us to create additional document to record incoming loss for trade transaction, go to inventory transactions, and then select the goods issue document. In goods issue, this is our document to record incoming losses for trade transaction and for transfer transaction as well. So fill up the header, enter the date delivered, same as date with our RR document, and then the date prepared. Then select the item or the product with incoming loss. Enter the amount of losses, which is 17 liters based on our GRPO or on our RR. Select the warehouse, which is the Bismin Iloilo tank or warehouse. Then fill up the user-defined field by entering the transaction code. So by this time, we will now select incoming loss. Then select port, and then enter the data necessary for this transaction, such as the pre-printed RR number, the corresponding GRPO number, the supplier code or supplier name, and then the person prepared the document. Enter remarks or explanation for this document. After that, verify if all the data are complete and accurate before adding our goods issue document. Click add, then click yes, and now our additional document to record incoming loss for trade and transfer transactions are added and posted in our system.